it's Kyndra
and Eliana.
and today we're making
Edible gummy bear slime.
because it's a fun and easy DIY that you can do yourself at home. So let's get started. The materials you're going to need are some bowls and mixing utensils,
Gummy bears.
and some powdered sugar and cornstarch. We're using about 1/3 cup of each. So let's mix it all together. We're gonna start with our bowls and our gummy bears, and we actually have 2 bowls because we want to make our own slime. So now we're gonna open the gummy bears, and I'm going to be using the green and yellow gummy bears, and she's gonna be using the red and orange. So
we're both gonna share the pineapple.
Yep. So we're just gonna open it like
and then
this.
grab each one.
And we're gonna start sorting. So now we've sorted the gummy bears, as you can see, and we're just going to heat these up for 1 to 2 minutes each. I'm back with the microwave bowls, and we only actually had to microwave it for about 30 seconds, and it was already melted. So now we're gonna take our spoons and just give it a little bit of a stir, because it has like a sort of like a layer on top. So make sure not to touch this because it's like really hot. Oh my god, and it looks so good already.
Like a waterfall.
Okay, so now we're gonna start sprinkling in our cornstarch and our powdered sugar. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit in yours, sprinkle a little bit in mine.
Can you pour one in mine?
Oopsies. Okay, I need to pour some in yours. Okay.
Now it's time to mix it all together. It's turning into slime right away.
I know. Mine looks like honeydew mochi. Like,
mine looks like a strawberry.
Yeah. We're just gonna keep on stirring until it starts to pull away from the sides of the bowl like regular slime.
What is this?
It's a lie.
I'm just put my hand in it. Then we have
Oh my
hands.
god.
What?
Feels like slime. I'm just gonna knead it like it's regular slime.
Oh, that's hard.
Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's a little bit tough to pull, but it's very fun to squish.
It's really hot.
Yeah, it's
really
really
hot.
It's really hot, so maybe you want to wait a little bit until you play with this, or just add like tons of cornstarch and powdered sugar. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. So.
Wow, this is humongous. Look how stretchy this is.
This is like.
This is never gonna stop. Ever.
So.
This is so stretchy.
Okay, guys, so now we're gonna mix it all together
And see what color it takes. It makes.
Normally, like, it would make brown.
Or
Look
purple.
at how, like, beautiful it is. It's just a little tough, but it looks gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, guys, so now it's the grand finale. We're gonna eat it. Okay, ready?
Kind of like orange.
It tastes like gummy bears.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to push that like and subscribe button, and
Tell us what is your favorite candy down below.
until then,
Bye!